Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. We're back with another Milescraft tool review. Last time we did the Grabber Pro. This time we're going to do the GrabberPLUS by Milescraft. And the reason I mention this one is because when these two are used in conjunction together, it's an awesome team for safety. Now, for a limited time, Milescraft is offering a small discount on these tools if you enter Vernon10 at checkout. Let's open this thing up and I'll show you what the features are. Okay, the GrabberPLUS. Some of the features of this tool are a comfortable handle, which is a multi-position handle. You can use it in either direction, whichever is more comfortable to you. Spring-loaded shoes on each end. You can lock those shoes by turning this red knob to hold them up, or releasing them makes them spring-loaded. The GrabberPLUS and the Grabber Pro excel on a jointer and a router, and the reason they work so well together is the ability to, I call it ladder step, and I don't know if that's the correct term for it, but let me give you a little example. Now this tool is shut off for safety. However, spring loaded, as you can see, they compress. When you're pushing the stock through the jointer, the handle's angle allows you to hold it tight to the fence and allows you to push through. Constant pressure down, pressure against the fence, and then you can bring in the big brother and do the same thing and ladder step your stock through the machine. A great handy tool. You can wash this with soap and water if it gets a little dirty, but they are serious when it comes to gripping power. Alright folks, there you have it, the GrabberPLUS. A great tool. I'm glad that they sent me both of them because they're going to get used all the time in the shop. Again, we want to keep our fingers. This is another great tool to help you do that. The GrabberPLUS by Milescraft. Always a better idea, and we'll catch you on the next one.